I decided to do this training specifically for the real estate agents and also marketing and sales professionals, because I'm going to give you some examples how you can use it in your day-to-day. So that's why, but also because my experience, it comes from this industry. So that's why I feel more comfortable to talk about real estate marketing. It's where I came from. Okay, so today you'll learn how artificial intelligence can clone you and add more time to your day by simplifying and automating your systems with only 10 AI tools. We will not talk about ChatGPT and neither Copilot, just for you to know. We'll talk about different platforms and then the way you can increase the content that you are creating in a faster and a better way. My goal here is for us together dominate AI instead of letting AI dominate us. So this is our choice. I want to thank you to decide to join me today, because we need to study every single day what AI is and how we can use it in our day-to-day lives. AI means that it can simulate human intelligence and problem-solving capabilities. That's why we need to use it to clone us. So then we will have the possibility to have more time to focus in our expertise, that it is close more deals. For those who don't know me yet, quick about me. So I'm the co-founder of Global Links with Fernando, that is with us today. It's a marketing agency founded in Brazil in 2005 and has generated over $5 billion in real estate sales to our clients across Brazil, Canada, and the US. And now our marketing agency is located in Orlando, Florida. So I have more than 20 years of experience, specialized in the real estate industry. And I'm also a former real estate agent. I worked here with EXP Montreal, Canada for about 1 year. But I decided to do that to learn more what it is to be an agent, because I am graduated in marketing. But to feel what it is to be an agent, I needed to wear your shoes. So that's why I took my license and I worked during almost 1 year. And after that, I created a unique methodology that is called Links Method. It's simple 6 steps to make your real estate business grow. So I got my license, and only after 2 months, I got the listing at $7.2 million here in Montreal. So that proved to me that the methodology works. So that's why I'm confident to share with you today. This is a bit of my experience in Brazil, in the US, and also in Canada with the soccer player Neymar, some celebrities from Brazil. I used to work with a high-end real estate development. And the best part for me in my journey is the Links Marketing Academy. That's why I'm doing this training today, because I love sharing the knowledge and the experience and everything that I've been testing for the past 1 year, especially with the AI. So that's why I'm here. We need to embrace and then start using it every single day, because it's not that the AI will replace you, in my opinion, but the business that are using AI maybe will replace you. So that's why I think we should embrace AI. And then in here, I brought some key applications for real estate agents to use AI. But today, we'll talk specifically about marketing. But I know it's lead generation, CRM, property valuation, market analysis, virtual reality, transaction management, customer experience, time management, and data management. Using ChatGPT to market analysis, it does market report in 2 seconds. So we need to use that every day to save our time. So today we'll talk about 10 AI tools, and at the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tool that I think it's super cool to use in your marketing strategy as well. So number 1 tool, it's called Whimsical. I use it for content marketing to create my lead magnets. I don't know if you're already using it to create your own lead magnet, ebooks, checklists, even masterclass scripts. Those are your lead magnets, so then you can convert your traffic, your views on social media into leads. For example, I put, I'm a real estate agent. Please create an ebook showing how my clients can add value to their properties when they want to list it. So in here, the tool provided me a lot of topics that I can use to my ebook. And even if I want more details, I can have these topics brought to ChatGPT, and then I can have more descriptions, examples, and everything else added to it. So I think this is a nice tool for you to use when you want to create your content. You can plan your content, you can organize your topics. And then in here, if you can see that I added the QR code. So if you want to access this tool, you just need to scan the QR code and it goes directly to your phone or even your computer. So there's a free version, but the Pro plan costs up to $20 per month. The tool number 2, I like it because it enhances your real pictures. For example, you have your headshot done and then you want some effect, some different quality for your headshot. If you want to create your AI headshot and see how it works, go ahead, download Remini. This is the name of the tool. So in here, you can see that does the enhancer. This is a real photo. So I did this photo with a photographer, but I don't know if you can see well, but it does a pretty good job, like a professional clearing spots and everything else. So I like it very much. The tool number 3, it's called Opus Clip. This example that I brought to you, it's a live that I recorded. So I brought the file of the live that I downloaded from Instagram, and I asked the tool to make short videos for me to use in my reels on TikTok and on my YouTube shorts. It took 10 minutes. It gives you the caption, the hook, and everything you need to use on your social media. I love it a lot. You'll see the tool did for me 27 different shorts. You can fix some errors on the transcript. It saves you a lot of time. So I like it very much. The tool number 4, it's called Tactic. But there's a lot of different tools like these in the marketplace. I decided to use this one. It is integrated with Google Chrome. And so every time I start Google Meets, the app just shows the transcription. It records everything that I'm talking. And the best part, it does short summary, detailed summary with citation, write bullet points, write your to-do list. So for example, if you are doing a meeting with your team and you have 3 people, so at the end, you can just select the action items, and then it will bring you the name of the person and the things that they need to do. And saves you a lot of time, and you don't need to ask an assistant, for example, to take notes. Oh, we'll do a meeting right now. Then you just need to use this tool that is pretty cool. I don't know if you guys are already using a tool like that, but I would recommend you to do it. This is the tool number 5. So tool number 5, it's pretty new. They just launched the studio 2 days ago. If you want to send a video to your client, for example, with the market report of July, and you want to personalize it. So you want to make sure it comes with his name or her name. For example, Mary, I just want to let you know that the market report of July is blah, blah, blah. So what the tool does, you can change the name on the tool, and then AI will use your lip sync and will create as many videos as you want according to the number of leads you have, and will bring exactly the names of your other clients. And also, if you use this example that I'm showing you right now with your face here on your background, you can bring something customized only for that client. So it's the listing that maybe she's looking for. You can customize your background. I think this is super awesome. And you make your client feel he's unique, or she's unique, because you're creating something customized, personalized. So I think we should use AI for that, for make sure we are creating these relationships, but not in a cold way. So this tool, I think it's pretty good. So you should use tool at scale, so you can just bring your database, select what you want to show on your background, or if you don't want to show anything on your background, no problem. It's going to be you talking, but it's a good tool for direct marketing and to reach your clients in a customized way. Okay, so I saw the tools, but it takes time to learn, to test, to prove it's efficient. So I just want to share with you what I've learned, having mentors, having coaches, having people teaching me a lot of things. So the three key things that you need to have to learn quickly is, first, you need to have a roadmap, a strategy, a step by step. So then you don't need to rely on your intuition that I am going to start doing this and then after I'm going to start doing that. So it's hard. You are focused on selling homes. That's the truth. It's 24-hour. Easier to have someone holding your hand and just saying, just do this, and that, and get the results that you want. And then the second key is to have like a mentor, expert, someone that did what you want to do first. And then after, you can select the right tools, tested and proven tools that are available in the market. But if you have someone that have tested already, it's easier for you to start using it and get the results. So I want to say thank you for everybody that joined today. I want to give you a gift. So this is a checklist that I created. It's about lead generation, automation, social media, real estate marketing in general. If you want to download it, you know what to do. And then also, if you don't want to scan it right now, I can send it to you later. But I think it's nice to do it. You do like evaluation of your business today. You will know where you are at right now in all the strategies and then the things that maybe you should be doing. Maybe you're already doing it and they are a success. But I mean, it's good to know. And then also, if you want to share with me, I want to learn more about your business. So the next tool, the number 6, it's called Gamma. This is for lead magnet and sales presentation. For those of you that were not with us in the beginning of the training, the first tool is about lead magnet content creation. So you can create automatically all the topics, for example, for an ebook, and then the AI does everything. And what you can do, you can bring to this tool, and this will do the design for you, because maybe you're saying, I'm not good at design. I don't have someone doing my design. You want to do it by yourself. You can have your content done with Whimsical and also ChatGPT for details and examples. And then after, you can bring to Gamma, then you'll have the design done. You can create presentations, documents, PDFs, what you want to create. In this case, I use an example in Portuguese because just to show you that you can use any language you want. You can select English. But here I put like this: create a presentation and act as a real estate agent that works in Orlando, Florida, explaining the advantages of being a Brazilian investor and showing the different options of investment. So I created this prompt just to see what the tool would create, and then you'll see at the end. In here, it brought us the topics, and then in here, you can select the template connected to your branding. I selected gold and black, but I mean, there's a lot of different options, and also you can customize. So the tool did this in, I don't know, 10 seconds. It's a complete presentation where you can edit everything. That's the best part. You can replace pictures. You can change the text. You can add more slides with your branding at the end, with your content information at the end, with your QR code. Whatever you want to add or edit, you can do it. Gamma is an app for you to create your ebook. You can bring all your content ideas, a buyer's guide, and then the tool will do the design for you, bringing all the content. You just need to review it and export as a PDF. I want to talk about ElevenLabs. So this is a high professional studio for audio. For example, remember, in the tool number 1, we created the topics for our ebook. In the tool number 6, we created the design. So imagine if with your PDF, right now you have an ebook or presentation or whatever, you want to add audio version. So for example, your client is super busy always, and he wants to hear your ebook, not to read. So you can bring your ebook to ElevenLabs and it will turn into like Audible, your own content. You'll have an audio version and the quality is like high end. I brought 2 examples of the dubbing, like translation. I put one in French, one in Spanish. What you can do is to have yourself talk in your native language, and then you can, especially voiceover, when you're describing anything or a property and you're showing your listing, you can have your voice over in all languages that you want. So the tool number 8. Tool number 8 is called Runway. So Runway is specifically for video production. It's also professional, high-end, but it does also video creation. So if you want to create specific scenes to complement your videos, you can just text what you want to see. So in this case, I use an example. I went to Google. I was looking for a listing, like a regular listing. I saved this picture and I brought to Runway and I just asked to animate a bit. Because if you can see, this picture has high quality. There's different colors that I had before, but also there's a person in here. So what you can do with your listings, you can bring them to life and with the colors, and then you can also complement with more things. You can make your video content more illustrative with more options for you to use. And also if you want to create faceless videos, and then maybe some of you can say, oh, I don't like to record videos, I don't feel comfortable. So then you can use illustrations with the pictures of your properties, and when you want to explore a content or a topic, you can use Runway to bring exactly that illustration in video that you want to add to your video. So it does illustrate, voiceover, generative audio. So if you want to have a voice different than yours, doing a voiceover, you can use it also. So Runway, you can edit your videos and do everything else. There's a free trial, and then the professional plan is $30 per month. In here, it's captions. They are always popping up on our Instagram. Maybe you guys have seen this. I think this is super useful tool, not to use with the AI avatar. That's I did here. So I use this AI avatar, and then she talks like naturally, like a person. But what I like about this is for you to create your scripts, and then you can use it as a teleprompter. So maybe you get a bit shy to record videos and then you don't know what you'll say, then you can use a teleprompter as the news people. And also you can edit your videos, and also there's an AI editor. You just bring your original video recording, and then Captions does all the editing with the captions, with the icons, emojis, and then they put music. I mean, for Reels and YouTube Shorts and TikTok, I think this is the best tool. I also use CapCut. I'm not sure if you are familiar with, but I like to use both together. So sometimes I bring video from CapCut to Captions just for the captions, because I prefer captions from this app. So I think you can use both apps to edit your Reels, your short videos. That's a suggestion. And then in here, I created my AI avatar. This is a Reels that I created using CapCut and Captions. It did almost automatically everything. I'm just sharing an AI tool that does lead generation. It's called Hunter. And then you can find your leads to cold call or email blast. But the cool part of these, the app is called HeyGen. So I'm sure you've heard already about it, but I needed to test it because I was skeptical, let's say. And then I did the test, and this is AI video, like almost 100% of this reel was done by AI. And then when I posted in my reels, and then in here, I posted on my stories asking, is this my AI avatar talking? And then some of the people said, yes, of course, it's your AI avatar. But 62% said, no, it's you. So with that being said, I can prove to you that yes, now already AI can clone us. But I am not saying that you should be doing this. What I'm saying that you can be creative, and then you can decide what AI can do for you. So then it can save you the time that you need to close more deals, but also spend more time with your family and enjoy more your life. This is the proof. I needed to do that in order to launch this training. So yes, you can clone yourself. You can clone your voice. So that's my voice. I'm going to send you the presentation after, okay? So then you can hear all the audios, and then you'll hear my voice. Of course, it's English perfect. It's without my accent, my Brazilian accent. But I mean, you can see that you are able to clone yourself and use all the tools to save your time, because the game has changed. We can't see marketing and all the other key applications as an agent as we were seeing before. So I want to encourage you to keep studying, keep learning how to use it in your day-to-day to make sure you don't miss it. So that's the point. There's one more that I wanted to add, because I know I put 10 AI tools, but I wanted to add this one that I think it's awesome. The name is Ideogram. So it's for social media posts or for ebook covers. So for example, we did our ebook, and then maybe we want to have a cover customized with the things that we think it will work well. So in this app, you just need to write down your prompt, specifying. So for example, in this one, I put create a scene showcasing beautiful houses in Orlando with some iconic Disney parks. This was the prompt that I wrote to it. So then it brought me that. You can create anything. You can see here, people are having fun, creating invitations, even for personal uses. This tool is super cool, and it's called Ideogram. Those that stayed until now, I'm going to give you a free marketing strategy call. This is my Instagram. I just want to ask you if you can please DM me on Instagram saying that you watched this training. And then if, of course, if you want, I'm going to send you my calendar, and we can book a strategy call to go over your business. So then it's going to be you and me to talk about your business, where you're at. If you can fill out the checklist first, so then you can go through the checklist that I gave you during the training, and then we can talk about your business, and maybe I can help you. So those are the QR codes for the two offers. I want to say thank you for everyone that joined me today. I was super excited to provide you with this value. I think from the 10 AI tools, maybe if you implement one, I'm going to be happy, because I know that I made a difference.